Day 4 of designing and 3D printing the perfect claw clip. This week's version still features my 3-inch square clip, but I made a few small tweaks. First, I shifted the teeth slightly to the right so they line up more evenly now. I also widened the slots where the spring legs go, which makes it a little easier to get the spring in place. But the biggest changes were actually in the print settings. I tried out a feature in Bamboo Studio called Variable Layer Height. It automatically changes the thickness of each layer depending on the shape, so you get more detail where you need it and faster prints where you don't. It makes a huge difference. The top of the teeth look pretty smooth, but the bottom look a little rough where the supports were. One of you suggested that I use PETG filament since it can give cleaner support interfaces, so I ordered a spool of that and I'll update you once I test it out. Now let's talk about the spring and pin. Installing them was way harder than I expected. Bending the spring back, which has a ton of force, while lining up the holes and pushing the pin through was a whole operation. I actually had to recruit my dad to help. We eventually got it in, but the spring ended up scratching the handle a bit. On top of that, the torque from the spring is twisting the clip into a weird kind of position, so I'll need to get creative to fix that. Stay tuned for the next version, and if you have any tips, definitely drop them in the comments.